Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito with a pulse. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, half a lime, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 2 ounces of white rum. Don't forget your club soda and plenty of ice. A muddler and a sturdy tall glass are also key to crafting this refreshing drink perfectly. Make sure everything is nice and cold for the best flavor experience. Now let's build the foundation of our mojito. Place the mint leaves, lime wedges, and sugar into your tall glass. Using a muddler, gently press and twist to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make the mint bitter. Once muddled, pour in your 2 ounces of white rum, then fill the glass nearly to the brim with ice cubes. Here's where we add the pulse to our mojito, giving it a unique twist. This could be a small splash of a fruit puree, like passion fruit or raspberry, or perhaps a half ounce of a specialty flavored syrup. This extra element adds a delightful layer of complexity. After adding your pulse, top off the glass with about 4 to 5 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the delicious flavors are well combined. Finally, it's time to garnish and enjoy your perfectly crafted mojito with a pulse. A fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, makes an excellent garnish. You can also add a lime wheel or wedge to the rim of the glass for an extra touch of elegance. Serve your mojito immediately to savor its crisp, refreshing taste. Cheers to a delightful and unique drink.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.